Hello, this is John Underwood, Solution Architect at MongoDB, and this is just a very short demo of something I've built using Atlas Search and Atlas Vector Search. It's a simple application that's designed to help you test a couple of different hybrid search methodologies. Essentially what we do is the application takes a query, does a text search, and does a vector search using the MongoDB aggregation pipeline and merges those two results using different score fusion techniques, which we'll talk about. So I'm just going to do a query here, and you can see I get some full text search results, and if I click the vector search button and switch to this tab, I'll get some vector search results, and we're doing our embedding in this case using the OpenAI embedding model. And if I switch to this tab, we can see slightly different results. And each result, we're seeing an indicator that tells us how the result score for this document has been calculated. So we've got a score here, and 74% of that score has come from the lexical match or the text match, and 26% from the vector match. And that final score is calculated using weights. So we're using a relative score fusion algorithm, which basically just normalizes the score from each engine. And we can kind of change the results we get by changing these weightings, and we'll see the scoring will change and different results will appear depending on how we set these parameters. So this just uses the scores returned by the text search engine and the vector search algorithm. And if we switch over to the reciprocal rank fusion algorithm, this is using the position of the results in the result set. So again, if I sort of penalize vector search results more using the weights, I'll get slightly different results. And obviously we can play with how many results we return and see if that sort of changes results, as well as the kind of the num candidates, and changing these parameters can also change the results that you get back. So yeah, this is just a neat little application that you can use to test Atlas search and vector search on a result set, and all of the code's on GitHub.